Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Amir Amili Razik with metric number CE220002. I'm from group HG1 with a topic Interactive Hand Therapy Motion Tracker Gaming Interface. To introduce my group member is first is Ahmad Kifayatullah bin Kamis with metric number DE220083. Next, Ahmed Daniel bin Zulkifli with metric number DE220133. And the last one is Ain Rashikah binti Musa with metric number CE220068. Okay, for introduction of the project, around 2.4 billion people worldwide need rehabilitation. This number is rising due to again and chronic illness. By 2050, the number of the people over 60 will double. More people are also living with a cancer, diabetes and stroke. Gamification and motion tracking are become a popular in a physical therapy through a vision-based technology. This project use a camera, ESP32, media pipe, and OpenCV for a real-time and hand motion detection. It help with hand rehabilitation by letting user play simple therapeutic game using their hand movements. This makes therapy more fun, motivation, and engaging. The system is low cost and work well for home-based rehab by combining the computer vision, real-time tracking, and gaming. The solution offer an accessibility and effective way to improve rehabilitation outcome.
Assalamualaikum. Next, I will explain about fulfilling the design specification. For this, there is three main points, which is user requirement, technical constraint, and standard and guideline. Firstly, user requirement. 2 point, which is engaging and motivating therapy experience to game. And the next one is compatibility with various hand sizes and mobility range. Next one is technical constraint. We achieve many things with this, but the two most important things are the real-time feedback and low latency. This is achieved by using media pipe. The next is the high motion detection and accuracy, which uses the media pipe hand in the coding, which is a robust model trained for high accuracy. The next point is standard and guidelines, which are ISO 9241-210, which is human-centered design for interactive system. This is to ensure the interface is easy and intuitive. Next one is the CE or FCC, which is electrical safety and interference compliance, which is for the relevant of sensor and hardware. For example, the Arduino and USB device. For the next one is the comparison table, which is we compare between the industrial standard design and our prototype. Uh, Above on the left is the standard design, and on the right is our design. So for the ergonomic grip and support, the industrial design is strap quick release finger fixture, which ensures stable alignment and comfort. For us, it's a padded hand rest, support wrist comfort, game control via natural hand movement. For the next one is adjustable attachment. For the standard design is exchangeable handle, adapt to different finger size and gesture type. For us is the calibrated media pipe map fingertip position. We can change in the coding. For the next one is the mechanical support and tracking. The standard one is motorized support, provide physical assistance and control extension. And for our is camera motion and grip strength used for control. And then lastly, the modular electronic and sensor. For the standard design, it is embedded sensor and actuator within the orthosis. And for our design is the off-the-shelf camera and Arduino pressure sensor, which is easily replaceable.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Kifayat Umar bin Kames, nama matrik DE220083. So I want to talk about innovative aspect. So for our project, innovation lies in merging motion tracking technologies with gamified therapy to transform repetitive exercise. So in the innovative aspect, for traditional therapy, that is no motion tracking, which is manual exercise with no way to measure accuracy or range, lack of feedback, patient relies on therapist observation, low engagement, so repetitive and boring. So for our project, we have improved, which is we add real-time motion detection, which is we use webcam plus media pipe to track hand movement. Next, instant feedback, visual cues, and game challenge increase motivation by 30%. So next is step analysis. First is social, address need of aging population and patient with hand-related condition. So it can encourage more participation across diverse age group. Second is technological, utilize motion tracking, for example media pipe and webcam, and we use AI-based hand detection and powered by Unity to implement the game. Third is economic, low cost alternative to in-clinic psychotherapy, potential for commercialized in both healthcare and wellness market. Fourth, environmental, that is reduce carbon emission from travel to therapy center and can align with green healthcare practice. And lastly is political, government support for digital health post COVID-19, opportunities for inclusion in national healthcare initiative. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so Assalamualaikum. My name is Aida Shikami Musa. My metric number is CE220068. So my part, I will explain about the NABC. So N is need, A is approach, B is the benefit, and C is competition. So need, the important quantitative customer and the market needed. Why do you need this research? So back then, traditional hand therapy offer lack motivation and feedback, potentially hindering recovery, especially for home-based patients. So the main aim is to create engaging the motion tracking game interface to make the therapy become more enjoyable. So the patient will enjoy while doing their exercise and then will be improving the patient health. So next is about the approach. What is the solution, suggestion, and quantitative approach to satisfying the needed? The solution is N to make this our project in iterative hand therapy system that combine the motion tracking and the games, making the therapy become more best and more enjoyable. And what the patient need is just to play the simple game with their hand movement and allowing us to track their performance. And then the data motivate them. Then the system also it's easy to use in home or in the clinic. So the next one is about the benefit. So what is the benefit of the work provide and what is the value of your product? So our project makes the hand therapy become more fun and motivating. So the patient will want to do the exercise more. So the patient will not boring and keep repeating do the exercise because they find it enjoyable. And then this help them to get better, uh, faster recovery. So the best part of this project is combine the therapy with easy to use interactive technology and making it practically to anyone to use it at the home or in the clinic. So the last one is about the competition. Who are your competitor? What is the alternative now or the future? What is the difference of your work compared to the others? Right now, the hand therapy is often boring or maybe it's expensive. So our project it offer a unique solution by transforming the therapy into an enjoyable game, which encourage the patient to practice daily and remain more consistent. So that's the unique part. And then that's also the futuristic things about we combine two methods. So this helps patient practice every day and making our solution unique and better.
Yes, Assalamualaikum. Next, I will explain about the bill of material. This is the things that we bought in our when making our IDP project. For number one is a wooden board. Number two is a cushion. Number three is a sofa leather repair adhesive sticker. Number four is a Velcro hook fastener. Number five is a game skin. Number six is a tape rubber. Number seven is a cutter. Number eight is a mini saw. And number nine is wood glue. And 10 is a screw set. The total cost came to about close to 110. That is all for me.
Okay, now I want to show the function of this project. We play the road smash game. Okay, now I push the button of this and then I choose. So the game is I want to kill the cockroach like this. So when I smash the cockroach, the value of point I get is increased. So when the cockroach, so as we can see, the value of the point increase when the cockroach are dead. So as we can see, when the cockroach accident with a butterfly, the point of what we get are decreased. As example like this.
And lastly, about the conclusion of our project is the first one we done explore the interactive hand therapy using a motion tracker gaming interface. So next is we identify a clear chance to boost patient engagement and therapy outcome by combining rehab, motion tracking, and gaming. So we combine it all, so it's become a better version, and then we create an enjoyable game-based environment for therapy hand movement. So the therapy not just being a boring, so the patient will do therapy more often. So it's good, and the patient will have a better results. So the last one is customizable for patient needs and provide data tracking for therapists to monitor the progress. So the therapists we know that this patient has this improvement. So I think that's all from me, and that's all for my group. Thank you.